Today, I'll show you how to add Sezzle to Shopify, a great way to offer flexible payment options to your customers. Let's get started by logging into your Sezzle merchant account. If you're new to Sezzle and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up on their website to begin. Once you're in, navigate to your Sezzle merchant dashboard. This is your command center for all things Sezzle, and from here, you can easily manage your account settings and integrations. The next step is to find your API keys, which are essential for connecting Sezzle to your Shopify store. To do this, click on Settings and then select API keys. Keep these keys handy as you'll need them in just a moment. Now, head over to the Setup checklist in your Sezzle dashboard. Here, you'll want to select the option to add Sezzle as a payment option at checkout. This step is crucial as it allows you to integrate Sezzle directly into your Shopify store's checkout process. Once you've done that, click Get the Payments app. This action will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, you'll want to click Add App. This will initiate the installation process for the Sezzle Payments app. Once prompted, click Install App to proceed. During the installation, you'll see your store details along with the API keys you retrieved earlier. If these fields aren't automatically filled in, simply copy and paste the keys from your Sezzle dashboard. Before you finalize the setup, ensure that Live Mode is selected. This mode allows real transactions to occur, so it's important to have it activated unless you're running tests. Once you're sure everything is in order, click Save to store your settings. The final step is to click Activate Sezzle Payments. By doing this, you complete the integration process, making Sezzle available for use at your Shopify checkout. Your customers will now be able to enjoy the flexibility of Sezzle payments, enhancing their shopping experience. And that's it. You've successfully added Sezzle to your Shopify store. This integration should help you attract more customers by offering them a convenient way to manage their purchases. Thanks for watching and happy selling.